Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and staying safe at home. So today I want to share something with you. I'm very much happy that you are giving so much of love, so much of support to my channel. So thank you so very much. My comment sections are flowed with all the messages of yours, giving me so many appreciation. But I would be very much happy if you can also comment below on which topic I would make a video on. Moreover, you can also point out my flaws if you found in my videos. I will be happy to rectify it. So thank you so very much once again guys for supporting my channel. And also don't forget to hit the bell icon, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Okay. So as I was continuing with types of verbs. So in my last video I discussed about finite verbs and non-finite verbs. So today I will continue with helping verbs. So keep watching till the end so that you get a clear idea about helping verbs. So let's start with it. So helping verbs. Helping verbs, as you can see the name helping. So helping means to give assistance. So here also helping verbs help the main verb in a sentence by extending the meaning of a sentence. So here you can see the definition. Helping verbs are verbs that help the main verb in a sentence by extending the meaning of a sentence. Now, you can see they are also used to make up the structure of a sentence. So, in order to make up the structure of a sentence, we need helping verb. Okay. Now, what is the main purpose of a helping verb? So, as I said, helping verbs help the main verb. So, in this way, it supports the main verb by providing it with a clearer meaning. So in order to get a clearer meaning, you need helping verb. Helping verbs are also called as auxiliary verbs. As you can see, helping verbs are also called as auxiliary verbs. Now, there are basically 23 commonly used helping verbs in English. The first one is, are, am, was, were, be, been, being, have, has, had, does, do, did, shall, should, will, would, could, can, may, might and must. These are the 23 commonly used helping verbs in English. Now let's come to the types of helping verbs. Now the first type of helping verbs are the primary helping verb. Okay. So there are three primary helping verbs. First one is be, have and do. Okay. So why they are called as primary helping verbs? Because they either help the main verb or function as one. So sometimes they help the main verb or sometimes they can function as alone also. Okay. Now let's talk about be verb. So be verbs basically shows no action. It shows state of existence. Now, what are the be verbs? Is, are, were, was. These are all be verbs. Am, and these are also be verbs. Like you can see, I have given some examples here. He is writing a letter. They are reading newspaper. You are a good singer. They were late today. So the underlined words are all be verbs. Okay, and they are primary helping verbs. Okay, now let's move to the next one. The next one is do. So do verbs has different forms. Does, do and did. Do and does we use for present tense and did for past tense. Do and does we use for like you. Okay, does we use for he or she. Okay, and did we can use with any person, like for the first person, second person and third person. Now, do verbs has different function. Like in order to make questions, we can use do. In this way, you can see I have given examples. Do you like chocolates? Does he like chocolates? Did you complete your task? So you can, if you want to make many more questions with do and does, you can practice it and also comment below. Okay. Now next, to make it negative. He does not want to go to this place today. So what is negative means? Negation means no. Okay. He did not finish his lunch. I do not like bananas. Okay. Now next you can see to emphasize. When you emphasize something, like in this sentence you can see my mother does love you. You can also say in this way that my mother loves you, but just to emphasize your love for her. So that's why we are using does here. Same in the next sentence you can see Isha and Ira did complete all of their tasks. You can also say in this way Isha and Ira did complete all of their tasks, but just to emphasize that they have completed their task, we use did here. Okay, so these are the different forms of do. Okay, so these are the different forms of do verbs and different functions they can have. Now let's come to the next part, and this one is have. So this helping verb have is used to make perfect tenses. So perfect means what? Something that is complete in itself, like something that is totally perfect. So perfect tense also means the same thing. Perfect tense shows action that has already been completed. Means no action is remained, already been completed. Now you can see from the examples here, I have done my breakfast. I have finished reading the book. So I have done my breakfast means what? Breakfast has been completed. Now nothing has been left. I have finished reading the book means that person has completely finished reading that book. So nothing has been remained now. Now let's come to the next type of helping verbs, that is modal verbs. So modal verbs are basically used to express ideas such as permission, obligation, ability and possibility. Now here are some of the modal verbs. Now first one is can, could, may, might, must, ought to, shall, should, will, would, need not, must not or may not. So these are all modal verbs that shows ideas, that is permission, obligation, ability and possibility. So I'm thinking of making a video on completely on modal verbs because it will take too much of time. Okay, so I hope you have understand all the things what I want to tell you. So these are all helping verbs. Okay, thank you. I hope you have understood what I have taught you, what helping verbs are. So please comment below if you have anything to share with me. So please comment below. Okay, and also keep supporting, keep watching. Education is fun. Once again, I would like to remind you all, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get instant notification. So keep supporting guys. Thank you so very much.